Hi, I'm Tracy Buffalo. I'm a paramedic and an acting supervisor, as well as I support public education in the Edmonton zone. As paramedics, to continue to deliver high-quality care, we need to ensure that our vehicles are in top working order, as well as our equipment. We have a fleet services department that looks after all of our vehicles to ensure that they are road ready at all times. For our equipment, we have an entire division of people that their sole job is to clean, repair, and restock to ensure that all of our vehicles are properly equipped to respond to the next emergency.